morning, beautiful people.
Good morning, beautiful people.
We are in Keolat National Park. We wanted to go and hike the Keolat Hanging Glacier.
But it's raining like crazy. The clouds cover all the hanging glacier, so it's not worth it for us. We are at the Keolat National Park. We wanted to hike the hanging glacier, but as you can see now it's raining, it's all cloudy, so I don't think it's a good idea to do it now.
The entrance to the park is $10 per person, 8,000 Chilean pesos, and they said that if it's raining like this, the trail could be really muddy and then you cannot have the view of the glacier, that is the Keolat Glacier. There are 4 trails. One is the longest one, they said it's the best one. It will take like 3 hours, 3 hours and a half return. Or you can do like even shorter trails. It's like half an hour. You can see a lot of people are here because it's quite an easy hike, but I don't see the point to go
if you cannot see
anything.
Yeah.
We will hike another one, guys. Since we arrived here, it's always raining, like most of the time. 80% of the day is raining, or it's covered, or it's cloudy, or it's really, even if it's summertime, it's really cold. But we will enjoy, the road itself is enjoyable. Let's go ahead.
Yeah, let's keep driving.
From Chaiten to Puyuyuapi, the condition of the road is really good. It's almost 90% paved, and when the road is not paved, it's like this.
We will cross now a part that is all like this, off-road. So it's a curvy part, there is quite a steep part, so we will see how it is. I already talked with other overlanders coming from the south, so we will see, but mostly the Carretera Austral till where we are going is paved. The southern part of the Carretera Austral is not paved yet, so that part will be harder. Normal cars can do this road.
Totally doable.
Yes. Let's explore this waterfall.
We will be able to see at least 2 or 3 waterfalls. From the road you can already see a lot of waterfalls. Just water coming down from the glaciers. It's really scenic.
Starts the crazy drive. Look at that.
It's steep, off-road. Lucky you, the beast in action, guys.
Okay, they are saying that a big truck crashed. I don't know, it turned, so only small cars can go through. You see only small cars, big trucks. Okay, so I think they took off the truck. Now they are using the road again because he damaged the road. So we are waiting them to fix the road.
wait half an hour and then now we're ready to go again.
Wow!
We are leaving LeAw here. So we weren't lucky with the hanging glacier, but we are still in Keula National Park and we are going to hike a trail called Bosque Encantado, that is the Enchanted Forest.
And it's 5.8 kilometers. We hope to do it. The weather today is really uncertain. It keeps raining and then the sun comes out and then it rains. It's all cloudy. So we hope to be able to go there. We already shot drone footage to see how the trail is, because we read that there was a flood that destroyed all the trail.
Well, it was a rock slide.
Yes.
It was a rock slide that destroyed part of bridges, part of the trail. So it could be really dangerous. So you can do it, but you need to pay really attention.
Let's try.
Oh, wow. We're looking for a trail. Seems that there was a bridge here, but it was destroyed. So now we are trying to find a way.
Okay, there is a way to cross it.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you see, I put all my feet inside the river. There is a way, another way to cross the river without getting wet. Okay guys, we made it. I couldn't film because we were both holding our hands because it's super slippery on the wood of that tree. It's all wet. So
Okay.
let's keep going. This is the trail, really into the forest, into the woods. Muddy, really muddy. Walking on trees, as you can see. Go ahead.
Yeah.
I will film you. We are walking on trees to cross rivers. This is amazing. Absolutely, I'm so happy we came here because this trail is really challenging, but it's beautiful. I really love it.
Do you think we are going the right way?
Yes.
Normally we use Maps.me when we are on a trail like this. And now I cannot see where we are.
We have to go back on the trail because the bridge was broken there. So we should go a little bit right, but yeah, let's follow this trail. I think this trail is good.
The enthusiasm of the first 5 minutes just ended. We are trying to find a way, but as you can see,
we got to another river,
yeah,
and then the trail stopped there.
We are completely in the middle of this forest, this wood, and it's getting dark, so we don't want to risk.
Yeah, we're trying to figure out if there is another way.
I just want to show you how difficult it is to walk here. But everything is slippery. You are walking on trees. See?
I know we should, on the map, we should go on that side.
I know you've done your homework. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life?
This looks like a movie. You know, the one that you are trapped in the forest and you don't know the way you should go.
Another river, guys. Another river. Let's see if we find a way. There is a bridge here. Let's try to go on this bridge. Beautiful, we just found the trail.
The official one.
So from here you arrive. This was the official one that you could use before the bridge was destroyed. So from now it should be easier and faster. Let's see, let's try.
Try, guys.
It'll be alright.
Yeah, you can see the trail.
Yes.
It goes all the way down there, but it's all wet. It's a river right now. Here the bridge became part of the river. You can see the water.
Time to wash our shoes.
Yeah.
I love the Garmin shoes. Not because they are a sponsor, but because we really love the shoes. They are incredible. You can go in the mud, in the water, in the rivers, hiking.
Okay, so go ahead. Okay guys, I have to put the camera away because I need to go over this tree. Wait for me!
When you're tired to hike, when you think that you will not find a way out of the forest, just keep going because you will be rewarded. And this is our reward, guys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
It's incredible, it's beautiful to see this glacier, the waterfalls, the river, the forest, the lagoon, everything in one place. After 2 hours hike, más o menos, we are in this magical place, the Enchanted Forest. Patagonia, Carretera Austral.
We are still hiking, it stopped raining, the sun came out, but there are clouds, so it could rain again, and we're planning to go up there. There is a lagoon down there and a glacier and a waterfall. Beautiful. And we hope to get there before the sun goes down. You can see the sun is there and the glacier is really near.
What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Okay guys, we're almost there.
It's full of waterfalls.
There is another waterfall just here, beautiful. Let's go.
Let's go.
We are almost there. Almost. There's the lake there. We're almost there, Sara! Woohoo! This is exciting. Exciting moment. Exciting moment, guys.
Take my hand,
Wow.
we'll make it.
We made it.
We can't miss
Made it.
I'm done living life with is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Bellissimo, bellissimo. Guys, this is something unreal. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know what to say. Beautiful, look at that.
Speechless,
Look at
guys.
that.
We have all the place for ourselves. Like all the lagoon. We are the only one here.
Wow.
This was an official path. Then the trail was destroyed by a rock slide.
Now the pass is closed, so you
Yes.
should not be able to come here.
Yes.
We came anyways.
At our own risk, guys, because we check the trail with the drone before. We get lost a few times in the beginning, but this is part of life. You get lost, you find your way again. It's difficult, it's hard, it's painful, but then you get rewarded. Yes.
This is how we do with the drone when it's raining. You put the drone in the plastic bag, then you put the drone in the backpack, and then you cover the backpack with another plastic bag.
This is the one of the backpack.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can hear part of the glacier that is melting and it's falling and it's doing this really powerful noise, like boom.
It's scary from down here because you think it will fall down and will, I don't know, do something
Really?
dangerous.
Yes, but it's insane, insanely beautiful. Now some chocolate.
It's time to go back to Lucky Liu. It's 10 past 5. We have about 1 to 2 hours to get down to Lucky Liu. It's time to go.
We are back in Lucky Liu. We made it. 4 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours.
4 hours return, yes. But it was worth it, worth it. Now we will find a spot where to sleep, where to camp this night, and I think we will prepare dinner, so we catch you later.
The Carretera Austral is amazing because you are driving the road and then just like this, some beautiful waterfalls, beautiful views, mountains with snow. For today we already hiked a lot. We are super tired, we are super hungry, we want to cook something and eat. So let's drive and go.
I'm looking for a spot to sleep tonight on our Overlander because of course we have no service. So I'm using Maps.me and our Overlander to see if there is something cool. Probably I found a lake, small lake called Laguna de las Torres.
40 minutes from here?
40 minutes.
Okay.
It's okay. And this is the camp spot for tonight, guys. Luca is securing the camper, the truck, so we don't fall down. As you can see, yeah, we don't move. Wow, you like this place?
Yes.
It's really close from the road, but especially during the night there are not a lot of cars driving. Look at this view. Dinner is ready.
Today has been a wonderful day with wonderful hikes, views, and it was amazing.
I think this is today. I started to think that Carretera Austral is really worth it, because the past days I was I don't know, but then when you start hiking, you just realize how beautiful it is. Or even with a little bit of sun, that you can enjoy the colors and not the rain and the clouds. You really appreciate the landscape and how beautiful and unique it is, this road.
We are super tired.
Yes, you can see.
You can see how tired we are.
We will have dinner and then we will go to sleep and rest. We hope that you like the video, guys, and all our contents.
If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And please consider to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done already. I'm Sara, he's Luca. We are Leave Everything and Wander. We are traveling with our truck camper Lucky Liu from Alaska to Argentina.
From the Arctic Ocean to the Antarctic Ocean.
Yes.
We are almost there, guys, but we will not stop. It's not the end. When we get to Ushuaia, will not be the end. We will keep traveling. We will keep making videos.
Yes,
it's just a new beginning.
And taking you along with us in all our future adventures. We love you guys. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming along with us. And see you super soon.
Ciao, guys. La vita è bella.
Life is beautiful. Ciao.
Before